Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for engaging with more videos. One of the viewers of our channel Chitra have asked me a question, calling me or putting in a comment that, sir, I am buying a car, a new car. Should I buy a base variant which is coming for 7 to 8 lakhs, or should I buy a mid variant which is coming at 12 lakhs, or the top model which is coming for 16 lakhs? And why should I buy this? Today, that's the question what asked by a viewer. I am decoding who should buy base, who should buy value for money, mid variant and top model. So, being greedy, we see a lot of customers being greedy. Buy a base variant, let's say Creta for 12 lakhs, and put another 2 to 3 lakhs of accessories, alloy wheels, dash cam, touch screen, all that accessories put onto it, and they show it as a top model. Very frankly, number one, it is not right. Number two, in the RC it is shown as base variant, E model or EX, that is only it is. So when you resell the car, you will not get the value of the top model, you will get the value of the base version only. Second thing is, if anything happens because the extra attachments you have put, if there is a fire, the insurance claim will be it will not be given claim will be nullified because you have fitted extra accessories from outside, upmarket, which are not genuine, not from the factory fitted. That is one. In case something happens to the gearbox, anything in the manufacturing, engine, etc., will also not be given warranty. So first thing is, you are spending money for the base variant, and as well there is always a risk that you might not get warranty or insurance claim for this. So make sure whenever you are buying base variant, use it as base variant only. This is the way where I am ending on the base variant. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars, subscribe the channel, and there will be a continuation of this video. Happy driving, safe driving. Thank you.